What's your name, lady?
Rushman, Natalie Rushman.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth.
Agent Romanoff.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me.
Is this part of the plan?
Well, my plan was go easy on him. You want to switch it up?
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me. Ugly pretty.
Left arm is numb. Is that normal?
You alright?
Always.
Oh, little ghost, you see the pain, but together we can
fellas.
make something.
Either one of you know where the Smithsonian is? I'm here to pick up a fossil.
So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make 3 hours meant for you.
T'Challa told Ross what you did, so coming from.
I'm not the one that needs to watch their back.
Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
With these ass clowns.
You, Mr. Star. You, buddy. We're adjourned. We're adjourned for today. You've been at the light.
Tony's right. We have one hand on the wheel, we can still steer. We're leaving you to win. We have made some very public mistakes. We need to win their trust back.
Focus up. I'm sorry, did I just mishear you, or did you agree with me?
Oh, I'm gonna take it back.
No, you can't retract it.
Please, Tony, you brought a suit.
Sure did. It's a lovely Tom Ford 3-piece 2-button. I'm an active duty non-combatant.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
Got any other bad ideas?